Who would have thought I'd be soaking in a hot spring in Nanxi? I had no idea there's such a wonderful hot spring here that's surrounded by mountains. It feels really nice to be able to enjoy the semi-open-air hot spring and be surrounded by nature. My mom and I usually like going to the hot springs in Japan, but sometimes it would feel a bit awkward due to the lack of privacy. But look at this place. I'm loving the privacy. And I'm definitely bringing my mom here for a soak next time. I bet she'll love it. Taiwan is uniquely blessed with a geothermal environment, and Tainan has 2 hot spring locations. One is the Mud Hot Springs in Guanziling, and the other is Guidan Hot Springs in Nanxi, where I am now. Hello, Wei-Chen.
Hello.
That hot spring experience back there was incredible. I really appreciate how it offers the sense of privacy. It felt like I had the place all to myself. Plus, it's wonderful to be soaking in the hot springs that's surrounded by mountains. As the owner, what inspired you to build a hot spring resort in this location?
Well, Nanxi is known as the backyard of Tainan to locals, and due to its proximity to the reservoir, it's a protected area, which contributes to a more pristine ecosystem.
Well, I couldn't help but think about how smooth my skin felt while I was in there.
The hot springs we have here are sodium bicarbonate springs, commonly known as beauty hot springs.
Oh.
Yes, and this hot spring's temperature is pleasantly mild, around 30 degrees Celsius.
No wonder. Does that still count as a hot spring?
It does. The government classified it as a hot spring because it contains higher levels of hydrogen carbonate, ions, and other minerals in the water. The classification is based on these mineral content.
Oh, so it's not because of the water temperature.
Right, it's not because of the water temperature.
Oh, so apart from the outdoor hot springs in here, are all those hot springs too?
These are actually our bathhouses.
Bathhouses.
Some people are more concerned about privacy and they prefer not to wear a bathing suit while soaking. A private bathhouse would be a better option for them.
So you can choose between public baths where you can feel immersed in nature or private bathhouses.
Yes.
In the peaceful mountain, time slips unnoticed. The lush green environment is unique and worth taking the time to appreciate. It offers a comforting experience, allowing us to fully enjoy being embraced by the mountains and the forest. Now I get why Tainan people call this place their backyard. You are surrounded by mountain... What, was that a muntjac?
Yes, you'll see muntjacs and monkeys here.
There are monkeys here too?
A lot, actually.
Now that's what you call a natural environment.
Because it's close to the reservoir.
Well, would you recommend Nanxi to others? Like, for someone like me who enjoys outdoor activities, do you think this is a good spot for my outdoor-loving friends to join me?
For sure. Check out one of the 3 wonders of Tainan, Falcon Peak, if you're up for a challenge.
One of the 3 wonders, huh?
Yep.
Speaking of Falcon Peak, it's said to be a hidden gem in Nanxi. It is breathtaking and also known as one of Taiwan's top 3 hiking trails. To truly experience its stunning scenery, it's definitely worth the visit. So, it's time to get some training done. Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1, feet up.
Okay, what a rush! Does it look like I'm at a training base? This is actually a hotel. Oh my God, there are a ton of outdoor activities you can do here. I can't wait to try everything. There's a swimming pool, a zip line, rock climbing, and even some sort of bungee jump. I'm so excited. Let's go have some fun. You probably never thought there could be such a place in Nanxi. This is Taiwan's first adventure-themed hotel. And also my secret weapon for getting into top shape. Don't forget that our final goal is to conquer Falcon's Peak, one of Taiwan's top 3 hiking trails. So, With this training venue, you can bet I'll be giving it my all and not holding back. Hey, Coach. Are there any specific things about rock climbing I should watch out for?
There are a few. First is you can grab onto or step on any of these colored stones. Always maintain 3 points of contact. Stick to the idea of moving one hand or foot at a time.
Okay.
And then work your way up. Next thing to keep in mind is that you should never grab the rope.
Okay.
When you want to come down, just
don't hold
let
on to the
go,
rope.
lean back, and let the harness do the work.
Just like that? I won't hit the ground?
No, the harness will catch you.
Oh, I'm curious. Is there a specific license for this, or do you need it to be certified?
All of our instructors here are professionally trained. We undergo daily testing, so we are very familiar with the equipment and procedures.
A safe and friendly environment is what makes outdoor adventures fun for kids and adults alike. So, if the kids around me aren't afraid, I guess I can't chicken out.
Grab onto the rock.
Grab onto the rock.
Keep your hands higher than your body.
It's higher than my body.
Okay, go. Hands up here. Move your feet too. Good. Move your hands. Use your feet. Good. Very stable. Very good. Keep going. You don't have to be fast. Just be steady.
Okay. Oh, this is a tough one.
Move your hands. Use your feet.
Oh,
Slowly.
my God.
To your left.
To my left?
There are no more rocks on the right. The big ones are blocking your way. Good job. You're almost there. Keep it up.
Oh my God.
2 more steps. Use your left hand.
Left hand?
Touch it.
Yay.
Let go. Push off the wall.
Woo.
Well done.
Oh.
Congratulations, you finished.
Yay. Do I get a prize or something?
Yeah, you get a thumbs up.
Thank you.
Good job.
Wow. Well, it might look like I was moving slow, but look. Oh my God. See that? My hands are still shaking. I really had to use all my strength, so I think Falcon's Peak won't be this hard, or maybe it will be, but I'm ready. That's right. Along with honing your climbing skills and walking at high altitudes, this is definitely the best way to simulate mountaineering terrain. Out of all the outdoor activities here, I am most captivated by the Big Drop. Judging by the crowd screams, it must be an absolute adrenaline rush. Security check complete. Okay. Remember to bend your knees when you go down. Okay. You're good to go. All right. Okay, just take a step forward. All right. In 3, 2, 1, go. Woo! Yeah. Thank you. Wow. That was really satisfying. It was such a thrill. Yeah, when I was coming down, it felt like I just took a shot. Okay, so I feel like I am now confident that the challenges awaiting at Falcon Peak will be a piece of cake. I didn't expect to be surrounded by nature at this place. In my childhood, when I was in the US, I saw people doing these activities mostly in shopping malls or indoor areas, but never elsewhere. It's only in such a vast space can you have so many facilities, and I also love the scenery here. I really do. Also, I think it's very safe here. When doing these activities abroad, I sometimes worry about my safety, and I'm afraid that things could go wrong. But in Taiwan, I never have to worry about that. This is a great place to visit with friends, and it's also friendly for families and kids. This place is absolutely fantastic. The hotel's situated in a wonderful location, so it's no wonder during holidays there are hardly any vacant rooms available. Here, you can enjoy the marvelous scenery around the reservoir. And the rooms are something to look forward to, as they are full of unexpected delights. Whoa. Wow. It's so spacious. Oh my God. The bedroom. It has 2 double beds. Look at this. Wow. Wow. Right behind me, there's a bar counter. And this sofa, it's incredibly huge. It feels like it could fit 3 or 4 of me. It's just, wow. I'm like, I wish my friends and family could be here right now. Because I've also noticed that there are 2 bathrooms. I think this is a thoughtful design as it ensures privacy in the bedrooms. So out here, you can have fun, have a party, or even an after party. I really enjoyed the vibe here. As soon as I walked in, I started craving a party. People in Taiwan often say it's merrier to have fun with others than alone. With a room this nice, I definitely invited my friends over for a party. Otherwise, I'd regret it. And you know what? During the summer, they serve a seasonal treat here. It's super delicious and closely related to Nanxi. Oh, I feel super chill right now. Look at this mango ice. It's only served during the summer. On hot summer days, a dessert like this is truly refreshing. It not only contains mango flavor ice, but also has freshly cut mango chunks in it. I think that in Tainan, in the sunlight, it is incredibly intense throughout all seasons. So just in case you didn't know, mango ice has been voted by CNN as one of the top 10 desserts in the world. In the blistering summer heat, staying in the pool and enjoying a bowl of mango ice are definitely the best things to do. Nanxi produces the highest quality mangoes and the largest yield in Taiwan. Are you ready to come with me? Let's go try some freshly picked mangoes.